In the heart of Harmony Woods, where the trees swayed like dancers and the stars twinkled like fairy lights, lived a raccoon named Ridley. But Ridley wasn't just any raccoon, he had a talent that made him famous in the forest. He could sing like a dream. Not just hum-hum or la-la, but real singing, the kind that made owls stop hooting, frogs stop croaking, and even the wind hush to listen. Every night, Ridley would climb up to his favorite log near Moonbeam Pond, pull out his tiny ukulele, he made it from twigs and squirrel string, and begin his nighttime sing-along. But tonight? Oh, tonight was special. It was the full moon festival, the biggest night of the year in Harmony Woods, and Ridley had been chosen to lead the great forest sing-along. As the moon peeked over the treetops, Ridley was already practicing.
Oh. Ooh.
In the moonlight glow, we gather together and let joy flow. He smiled and tuned his ukulele. Tonight, I want everyone in the forest to sing with me, he said. So off he went, hopping from one tree to another, inviting his forest friends. His first stop was the burrow of Benny the Badger, who was snoring loudly. Benny! Wake up! You're invited to the nighttime sing-along. Benny yawned. Only if you sing my favorite lullaby. So Ridley sang, dig and doze, time for dreams, not your nose. Benny chuckled. All right, I'm in. Next, Ridley bounced to Lillipad Lake, where the Frog Family Band was doing their evening ribbit rhythm warm-up. Join me at the clearing tonight? Ridley asked. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Bye.